Hey guys, this is your friend Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you to today's video on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, today we are going to learn how to move a shadow of a DXF in Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, suppose we have a building or a small room here. As you can see, we have a small room here and we want to place a building in front of it. So how to do that? So for that we'll go to the model option and we can import our DXF file which we want. So this is the particular DXF file and we don't want the center lines, we only want the beam column plan as a shadow, and we'll just click on finish. And after we click on finish, our shadow has been imported, but I want to place our shadow here, that is in front of the small room or the guard room. So what we can do is we can go to the option of edit and we have this option of Move DXF Shadow. So now it's asking for the reference node. We can select this node as the reference node and I'll select this position as its new position. So as you can see, the DXF file has been moved. So this is the new building which we are going to make, and this is the old building in front of it. So like this we can make use of the function of the Move DXF Shadow. So hope you found this tip useful. For more such videos, stay tuned to our channel, and if you want videos on any topic related to Tekla Structural Designer, you can comment below. We'll make a video on that. And if you want online training from us on G+3 building design using Tekla Structural Designer, you can check out the link which has been given in the description. In this live course of 20 hours, we teach you the complete process of becoming and acting like a structural consultant, starting from taking the requirements from your clients, the basics of planning, then column positioning, then the structural design part in Tekla Structural Designer, which includes modeling and then loading as per the building codes of the country in which you are going to make the building, and after that structural analysis and design, after that the data interpolation so that you can make an economical and safe model, and after that making the structural drawing sheet in the proper format so that it's presentable for your clients and also executable for the construction work. So how to do that we cover in our full course. So if you want to join that, you can call on the number given here or you can check the link which has been given in the description. Bye bye.